What up guys, Live Eventually checking in. Nice to meet you. Let's get right into it today. We're going to take you from 0 to 100K. We're actually going to take you to 0 to 120K, but for title purposes, we're going to take you from 0 to 100K. 10K a month. That's the plan. That's the goal. We're going to break this down for you no matter what industry you're in, what service you're in. We're going to break you down, take you from 0 to 10K. It's a lot more simple than you think. Alright guys, we're going to take you from 0 to $10,000 a month. Even if you're product based, so let's say you e-com, digital product, selling t-shirts, selling a hard physical product or a digital asset. Even if you're a service based industry, we're going to take you from 0 to 10K. That's anything from window washing, lawn care, SMS services, SaaS services. No matter what it is, we're going to take you from 0 to 100K. Even if you're commission-based, strictly sales, where you're a car salesman, selling software, you eat what you kill, we're gonna get you from 0 to 10K a month.
Alrighty guys, let's go through a breakdown of what $10,000 a month really looks like. Guys, $10,000 a month is $333 a day. Can you find a way to make $333 a day? Another way to look at it, there are 7 days in a week. That is $2,333. Can you find a service or a product to make you $2,333 in any given week? And then lastly, that equates to $120,000 a year, guys. You have to find a service or a product that can accumulate these things. Find people, find a service, whatever you have to do, but you have to equate to that number of a daily fee of $333 or a weekly fee of $2,333. Find a way to make that all make sense, and then you will be making at least $120,000 a year.
Let's make it simple, guys, to get you to that $10,000 a month. Let's say you're product based. Do you have a current product you can sell for $333 to one client, one customer? Or let's break it down a little bit further. Do you have 10 customers, right? You can sell a product to at $33 per. So that could be anything from t-shirts, shoes, hats, whatever it be. Can you potentially sell a product for $33 to 10 paying customers? Alright guys, we're going to break it down even further for you with this one. Do you have a $3 product? Do you have a $3 product that you can potentially sell to 111 customers a day? This product is going to be something cheap, something easy, something that's one-time use, something that's really trendy and eye-catching, but it's like a whatever product, like a fidget spinner or something like that. So do you have a $3 product in your arsenal of products that you can sell to 111 customers to get you to that $333 mark that we're trying to get you to?
Guys, and of course, just like we said, we're simplifying this. So let's apply this to the service-based industry. Do you have one product that you can offer for $333 a day? Some examples of that would be lawn care, guys. Do you have a lawn care business, or can you make a lawn care business that is going to equate to $333 a day? You can also have a cleaning business. Do you do enough cleans a day to equate to $333? Because one clean could equate to over that amount. So if you look at it that way, you have one for $333. Now let's jump down. Let's say you have 6 products or 6 things in a service base that you can provide. That is going to be $55.50 a day. Guys, what could you do for that? Cut hair, pet care. You could walk dogs, walk cats, whatever it may be. Babysitting, that's also an option as well.
Personal training?
Personal training, that's a great one too. All right, and lastly guys, can you find 10 customers that are gonna pay you $33 a day? You could have a window washing business, trash pickup, recycling, graphic design, maybe website design. It's endless. There's so many different things you can do, but when you break it down this way, now you're able to see it's a lot more simpler than you think.
10 customers, guys. Just 10 customers for a product of $33 or a service of $33. This is very obtainable. Alright, we're still simplifying things for you guys. So let's say you're in the sales industry, strictly commission based, you eat what you kill. Is there a product that you can sell which will afford you a commission of $333? That could be anything from a car, that could be anything from a boat, who knows, right? Is there one product you can sell for $333 that's gonna put you in position to make that 10K a month on a consistent basis? 55. Let's say you don't have a product that can get you a commission of $333, but you have a product that can get you a commission of $55.50. You can sell that to 6 clients. That can be anything from insurance or potentially selling other people's services. Let's say personal trainers who suck at selling, you can sell for them and get a commission of $55.50. Or you could also advertise for other people, which will bring you a commission of $55.50. Just 6 clients, get you a commission of $55.50. That's going to put you in that $333 range that you need so you can make that 10K. Can you find 10 clients that's willing to pay you $33 on a daily basis? You could potentially do this one with affiliate marketing, right? Just find a product that pays that sort of commission. Use sites like ClickBank and other affiliate products and put yourself out there so you can make that commission of $33, guys. $33. We started at $333. Now we break it down just to $33, and you could attract 10 clients that's going to put you in that range you need to be. Now we're going to bring it down, guys, even lower ticket, right? I'm sure you can find someone to get you a commission at $16.65. All you're going to need is 20 clients to give you $16.65. I'm sure you can figure this out. Lower tier commissions such as Amazon affiliates, and there are also going to be some lower tier ones on ClickBank as well. So you want to stick with the affiliate range to get these lower tier tickets, but sell high volume using platforms like YouTube, which you're currently watching, TikTok, Instagram, to put your affiliate link in there to get that average of $16.65. 20 clients, gonna put you on track to make that 10K a month, which will make you $120,000 a year. 10K is just the aim, guys. The worst case scenario, let's say you fall short, you have a slow month here and there, you're still gonna be in 100K range to give you that $20,000 buffer.
All right, guys. Lastly, we're gonna break this down into an hourly sense. What can you put forth hourly to get to that 120K a year? So, all right, for 1 hour worth of work, that is $333 that you're gonna need within an hour. What could you do job-based to get that? You could do web design. I know that for sure. A lot of web designers make a ton of money. Maybe you're a coder or something like that. You guys could be copywriters. Things like that are great ways to earn $333 within an hour. Now, all right, guys, let's think of it in the sense of a 6-hour work day. What can you do to earn $55.50 an hour? You could be a personal trainer, photographer, videographer, what types of job, pet care, things like that. Think along those lines of what you can do to earn $55.50
Consultant
an hour. Exactly, consulting. All right, say you have an 8-hour workday. You need to earn $41.62. What type of jobs? You can do the same jobs above just for 2 extra hours. You could potentially Uber and DoorDash simultaneously. I know people who do that and they earn double the money, around $40 an hour, sometimes $35 or less. You have to balance that out and figure that out, but that is another great opportunity for you to dive into to earn $41.62. And now let's think about a 10-hour workday. You're grinding. You know that I possibly can't just work the 8 hours and earn $41.62, but you know you can make $33 an hour. What can you do? You can do the Uber, you can do the freight, you can do DoorDash, home delivery services, Amazon. There's so many different things out there. But if you have 10 hours in your day to commit to, I know for a fact you have the ability to earn $33 an hour.
Now, if you really want to get technical, there's only 365 days in the year, correct? But there's only 260 working days / business days a year. So you really want to make sure you maximize that 260 days to get this money, get that 10K a month, which will get you to 120K a year. And it's just that simple, guys. 0 to 100 in 1 year. Just that simple. Apply these principles. Go back, rewatch this video, get you a pen and pad, and let us know what you think. You eventually 100K, 120, where you at with it? Let's get it. The world is yours.